along the northwest
We have
wall
a
or
few in the Hellfire,
near the gate, in the Hellfire. Okay. Solo bomb.
probably.
May Galatin pair din.
Ayan. Mostly brawl bumps, brawl bumps.
Mm.
Dismounted na sila, Yearning.
Do you have a hodge? Yes, fine. You're ready. We're gonna hit southwest side of the gate. Ready? Southwest of the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest of the gate now. Southwest of the gate now. Hit. Come back.
May shaper na ano. Bago.
Shaper,
Roller
go,
yung
guys.
shaper.
Don't die. Heal up. You're ready. East side of the gate. Ready? East of the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate na. Dismount the battle mount na. If you can. Then you come back. Ready def. We're holding CD now.
30% na lang yan, Yearning.
Yeah.
Shaper looking. Bigay.
I need just spam your CD. Kami na lang mag-hold. Everyone get ready to spread If they dive in, and if there's a lot of space on the crown, on the ping, you can still come to the ping, okay? You can go to the words of joke. We're chilling.
Ingat kayo si Shaper
It's
Southwest.
okay.
Shaper.
Okay.
Nasa Southwest yung Shaper.
2%.
It's fine. Let's
Can I
hold
open?
CD.
I have GA.
Shaper.
Ay nila mag-break.
Shaper.
Gusto nila mag-English
Heal up.
tayo.
Heal the front.
Nice
Nice
kahani.
kill.
Nice.
They're waiting for you to engage.
I know. I'm waiting for them. Shaper again. They have a lot of shapers.
Shaper nila.
Two shapers. They have two shapers. Let's be careful.
Yung isa bomb, yung isa brawler ata.
Let them break the gate.
Commit fake.
Ayaw nilang basagin.
Parang BS fight to ah.
Eh? Let them fight.
Lamang tayo,
Stay
lamang.
patient.
Bang!
Ano,
Nice one.
One.
Hold them on the shock now. Lead up sa right side of the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2,
Holy shit!
spread.
Spread, yes.
Recover for now. So go inside. Run inside. Roll inside. You come outside. Run inside. Come southeast to the camp. Roll. Spread on the Hold them. Engage in the choke. Ready. 3 seconds. Yo, ready, def.
You can engage.
Southwest in 5, 4, 3, even if you like to sit. Finish the kills. Recover. Pop beauties, come inside. Everyone come inside the gate now. Supports now. Drop defensives now. Heal up, come inside. Heal up and click in. See if you can. If you still have defensive, stay outside. If you still have def. You ready, counter on the crown. Southeast on the gate. Ready. Chill. East side of the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate now. On me. Hit. Then you come back. Recover fast if you can. Hold inside the gate. Yo, if you're outside, just go around. If you're outside, go around or click in, okay? Just go
Shaper.
go outside and click in or whatever. Just survive. Regroup for now. Recover. Hinga muna.
Nawala yung
Just
mic mo.
take a breather, boys. My bad.
Sayang.
I think noise suppression. Wait. Just def for me, okay? I'm gonna turn off my noise suppression. There we go. You might hear my fan, sorry.
Nice kahani.
We're chilling. No, actually, yo, everyone come southeast now. Come outside now. CC them now. Catch them now. Yo, ready. Catch them now. Full catch, ready. Yo, we're gonna engage on the tanks inside. Wait, chill. Def on the front. Yo, southeast on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Big. Then you come back. Come back inside. Come inside second gate. Come inside second gate now. Come back. Yo, chill. Heal up. Recover for now. We're missing a lot of people. Go inside. Get ready for them to push back in, ah. Just get inside, go inside, go inside. May, not too deep, not too deep.
Alex,
Let
fix
them in,
roll.
let them in, let them in.
Kaya pala nalilito ako.
Ano pala?
Nakamark na ba si Alex?
Kaya pala. My bad.
They're also regearing guys,
Same.
they're also regearing. Enemies also.
No, they're hitting. Def. Yo, come southeast now. Click
Lab
out
southeast.
click out for now. Come out, shaper, careful. Yo, ready. Come southeast now, full CC them now. Inside the crown, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the crown. Kill their tanks. So, then you come back inside for now. Come back inside for now. Yo, brawl.
Looking.
It's fine. Just hold and spread here. Spread more northeast side, because we're
I
gonna
should
go
like
back
10.
inside, okay?
They are so
Come
wide
southeast. Push
Yo,
out
big
now,
bomb.
push out now. Yo, guard around the choke. Guard around the choke now. Come out east. Come southeast. Hold them now. I'm just waiting for CD. Come south and spread. Come outside and spread. All my tanks full CC. They're running. They're full running. Yo, ready southeast. Come southeast. A lot of them southeast. Just keep going, SC. Just catch. Script says full running. Just catch them. Our comp is broken. A bit broken. Let's go in.
Kulang DPS mo sa party 1.
I know.
Puno pa yung DPS mo.
It's fine. It's still a bit lethal. I just don't expect you guys to kill one tank. That's all that. Let's chill.
Go.
Lapit. Tika. Careful.
Your mama. Put your pat.
Fake. Yo, ready? East side of the gate, ready? Wait.
Wait, sorry.
East side of the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the gate now. East side of the gate. Big. Come back fast. Ready def shallow. Okay? Ready def shallow.
Kulang.
Let's try it. It's okay. Nice bomb, money. Try to regear my clap DPS. I need you guys to be lethal. My brawlers try to hit with me.
40% gate
That's fine. Just chill. You just spread the same thing with Western Paradise, guys. Don't give them the space for free. Just spread out and...
25%.
Come southeast.
Wait.
It's okay. Guard run now. Come south. CC them for now and hold. Hold now. They're looking shallow. They're looking shallow. Careful. Come back for now, May. You're ready. Southeast shallow. East side of the first gate. Ready? East of the first gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side of the first gate now. Hit fast. Come back. You're ready, just spread. Hold them on the choke if you can, please. Hold them on the choke. Don't let them in. They're engaging shallow, ah.
No,
That's okay.
Dismiss.
They use dark. They use demon for the
Yep.
honey bomb.
We are waiting for CD. Just chill.
Careful.
Stay patient.
Engaging ako.
Okay. We're gonna just play really safe na.
Ito yung thirching up.
Yes, okay. Ready, just get ready to def the front, okay?
They're looking, engaging.
Fake.
No.
No, they're engaging now.
Def now. Ready, hold them now. Everyone push out now. Guard runes on the choke now. Everyone push out now. Come out. Everyone come out now. Walk out. You ready? We're gonna engage north of the crown. Ready? Wait, chill. Spread out now. Ready? Northeast of the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast of the crown now. Hit. Big. And you spread and you brawl. Ready def north. Don't stack north. You're gonna hit north. They're looking west. Ready def. You're stacking. Just spread. Just play spread. Def. They miss. Full brawl now. Come
Yo,
south,
Blab
come south, come
southwest.
south, come south, come south, come south. Just follow me, just follow me,
Blab
just follow me.
southwest.
Follow me, it's fine. Just follow me, it's fine. Just follow me, it's fine. Come southwest, boys. Come southwest,
Si
come to me,
Erning
come to
nasa
me, come to
south,
me.
si Erning
Yo,
nasa south.
ready on top of the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown now. Big. Finish your DPS. Full brawl. Yo, don't push a choke. Don't push a choke. Come west. Come back west. Yo, guard runes on that. Def on that. Come west. That's big. Yo, def. I told you, def on that, guys. Come west for now.
Yan ang
Recover. Hinga muna. Western is here. Yo, cleanse on the front, please. Cleanse on the front. Sabi sa inyo guys, don't push a choke. You guys are going too much on the choke.
Regear. Nice cash.
Guys, chill.
Kill here, 29 DA.
Yo, ready. Under tank, southeast on the gate. Wait, chill. Ilan DA?
29.
29.
29? Here?
Yo, Summer's gonna pull out.
It's fine. Leave them be. Di tayo makakalabas dito, pre. Just hold on me.
Western yung southwest.
No. Chill here. 15 man death. Right there, bro. Holy.
Ogo 30.
No,
30 DA sila eh. 30 DA.
Kamis double. Hold. Let's hold for now.
They're bunking.
Nakikita din akong lag.
Spread.
Western 27.
Yo, ready. Northwest side of the gate, ha? Ready? Northwest side of the gate. Northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest of the gate now. Hit. Then we chill. Ready def, please. Ready def. Let's hold your CD for now.
24% ah.
Yeah, that's
20%. Going down fast.
They're gonna push in, boys. Ready to spread. That's a fake. Yo, hold them on the choke. Yo. Ready, Giga now. Everyone, Giga now. Come southwest. Giga come southwest on top of the crown. Giga now. Ready, southwest now. On top of the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown now. Everyone hit the crown. Drop damage on the crown. You come northeast. Click inside the second gate now. And guard runes, please. Guard runes going back to the second gate. Guard runes. Thank you. Come back inside. Come inside second gate. Hold the second gate. Ready, that might be real. Nope. Take.
Fuck. Use my ano.
Come inside for now. It's fine. Just hug the northeast wall.
Eh,
Shaper.
It's honey, my god. Putangina mo, honey talaga.
Paldo. Sakit talaga yan, Lods. 7% AD, 84 MP. Wow.
8% get.
I'll give you my tuned MP.
Just hold. Same thing, boys. If they try to push in, just spread.
20%.
Yeah, hold your defensives. Be patient. Be patient.
13%.
Be patient with Scripsa. Scripsa is the main caller. They're gonna engage on him. Okay?
Nasa yung party lead yearning.
Yep. I marked Scripsa already. Just chill. Let them inch in. Let the tanks in. Stop their DPS, okay? Stop their DPS. May tanks to stop their DPS, not their tanks, okay? Let their tanks in. Qs and doubles the tanks now. That's a fake. Wait for skull mark air compress, okay? Wait. Bro, Qs and doubles to all the tanks inside. Qs and doubles now. Just hold it. Poke them out now. Just keep poking them out. No engages. No engages.
They're backing out. I think you can kill on the...
I know. They're really going to run. Kasi hindi tayo nagpapabait nyo. Ready, wait, chill. Stay inside for now. We're chilling. Yo, come southwest. Come out for a bit. Yo, ready. We're gonna engage then back off quick, Ready? Wait, chill. Chill, don't go out yet.
May summer's gen yan, ah.
Don't go out yet. Do not go out yet, guys. Just chill. Be patient.
Western on our southeast side.
Come to the second gate. Come inside. Come inside third gate.
Pa-open nung ano.
Yep. Combat looters yung piece. Yung
Give
castle.
me 30 seconds.
Come SE.
Script says Southeast Gate, one thing.
Yeah. Just hold the courtyard on me. Just hold with me, boys. Just hold on me, just hold on me. No need to go anywhere else. What's happening?
Patay Summers pa.
Come notice. I mean, bro, they're fighting 30 DA roll, whatever. It's already good that they killed a lot. Come, Messi, come outside. Come outside for a bit. Let's take a peek.